In this video, we're gonna talk about subsets. What is a subset? A subset is a part, usually, of a bigger set where all the elements of this set are also elements in another set. Example, B is a subset of E. It's a part of another set, but it is also a set by itself. So the elements of B are also elements of E. A is also another subset of E, where the elements of A, all of these are elements of A, they are also elements of another set, which is E. Another example, we have the set A, which designates the set of the vowels of the English alphabet, and B is the set of all the English alphabets. So, since the vowels are part of the English alphabets, we say that set A is a subset of B. Set A is the set of the vowels, and B is the set of the English alphabet. We have another set C here, which contains 0, 1, A, B, C. 0 and 1 are not part of the English alphabet, so we cannot say that C is a subset of A. We say that C is not a subset of A. Here's another example. We have P represents the divisors of 45. Q represents the divisors of 15, and J represents the odd digits, and K represents the odd numbers that are less than 9. So first of all, we have to write P, Q, J, and K in extension. Then we have to use one of these symbols. These symbols represent element or not element. We say belong or does not belong. We use them when we compare an element to a set, and here we have subset or not a subset of. We use them to compare a set to another set. So, first of all, we write them in extension. We said that P is the set that contains all the divisors of 45, and Q all the divisors of 15, so we list them. J represents the odd digits, and K represents the odd numbers that are less than 9, so 9 is not a part of K. Now here we have to fill in the blanks. 5, is 5 an element of K? Yes, it is. So we say 5 belongs to K. Is 15 an element of J? We cannot find 15 here, so it's not an element of J. Now Q and P, here we are comparing two sets. All the elements of Q are present in P. We have the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 15, so Q is a subset of P. Now 7 is not contained in P, so we say it's not an element of P. J, here we are comparing a set to another set. We have 7 is not in P, so we say J is not a subset of K. We are comparing J and K, excuse me. And Q is not a subset of K, since Q has 15 and K doesn't have 15, etc. We go here. Here we have 3, 5. 3 and 5, since it is between braces, it represents a set that contains 3 and 5. So here we are comparing a set to another set, so we compare by subset, since 3 and 5 are in P. And here 2 is between braces. It represents a set, so it's not a subset of K, since 2 is not a part of K. So is 11, and 7 is a set, so we say 7 is subset of K.